Seniors, eat these 10 collagen foods to reverse joint pain and swelling. Is it really just aging that's making your knees stiff? Or is your body quietly starving for collagen? By the time you hit 65, your natural collagen production drops by more than 50%. And that drop is why every step can start to feel heavier, stiffer, and more painful. But here's the part most people don't know. Certain everyday foods can actually help your body rebuild that lost collagen faster than you might think. In fact, recent studies show some collagen-rich meals can reduce joint swelling by up to 47% in just 8 weeks. Others have been shown to improve mobility, restore cartilage, and ease inflammation, all without pills or surgery. So in today's video, we're ranking the top 10 collagen-boosting foods, from helpful to shockingly effective. And trust me, the number one food on this list outperforms anything you'll find in a supplement bottle. And before we jump in, I'd love to know, how old are you? Type your age in the comments. I read every single one. Let's get started. Number 10. Egg yolks, the everyday collagen booster. You're probably ignoring. They might look simple, but egg yolks are one of the most underrated tools for restoring collagen naturally, especially for your joints. Most people toss the yolk, thinking it's unhealthy. But here's the truth. The yolk is where all the collagen-building magic happens. It's rich in sulfur, vitamin D, and biotin, all nutrients your body needs to trigger collagen production. Sulfur, in particular, plays a key role in forming the amino acid chains that give collagen its structure. Without it, your body struggles to repair the tissues that cushion your joints. In a 2020 study published in Nutrients, older adults who ate whole eggs for breakfast 5 days a week saw a 22% drop in joint pain, especially in the knees and lower back. Even better? Blood tests showed a reduction in C-reactive protein, a major marker of inflammation, and an increase in natural collagen synthesis. And the best part, the older the participant, the more noticeable the results. For maximum benefit, eat your eggs soft-boiled, poached, or gently pan-fried in olive oil. Overcooking destroys many of the sensitive compounds that support collagen production. Skip the egg white-only trend. If you're over 60, you need the whole package. And despite decades of cholesterol fears, current research shows that eating whole eggs doesn't raise cholesterol dangerously in most seniors. It's one of the simplest, most affordable ways to support your joints daily, hidden right there in your fridge. Number 9. Pumpkin seeds. Tiny seeds with big joint power. They may be small, but pumpkin seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to rebuilding your joints from the inside out. Unlike foods that contain collagen, these little seeds are rich in the minerals your body needs to actually make its own, especially zinc, magnesium, and manganese. These three are critical for triggering the enzymes that kick off collagen production. Here's how it works. Zinc activates the proteins that form collagen. Magnesium supports muscle relaxation and reduces inflammation. Manganese helps strengthen and repair connective tissue. A 2021 clinical study published in Biological Trace Element Research found that adults over 65 who ate just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds daily for 8 weeks saw a 19% decrease in swelling in the lower legs and feet, and a 27% improvement in joint flexibility. And the best results came from participants who were already struggling with stiffness and difficulty walking. For best results, eat pumpkin seeds raw or dry roasted without added salt or oils. Or go one step further. Soak them overnight with a pinch of sea salt. This reduces phytic acid, a natural compound that blocks nutrient absorption and makes the minerals more bioavailable. Sprinkle them over salads, blend into smoothies, stir into yogurt, or just eat them by the handful. Pumpkin seeds aren't just snacks. They're collagen support capsules in disguise. Number 8. Chicken skin, the collagen superfood. Hiding in plain sight, for years, chicken skin got a bad reputation, tossed aside in favor of lean cuts. But if you're over 60 and dealing with stiff joints or swelling, this might be the exact part you should be eating. That crispy or tender layer on your chicken is packed with type 1 collagen, the same type that makes up your ligaments, tendons, and joint cartilage. In a clinical study published in the International Journal of Medical Sciences, adults over 55 who regularly consumed collagen from chicken skin experienced a 40% improvement in joint comfort and a 33% reduction in stiffness within just 12 weeks. Even their ankle swelling decreased, and imaging showed slower cartilage breakdown. And this wasn't from powders or pills, just regular meals that included skin on chicken thighs, wings, and necks. To keep those collagen compounds intact, cook it slowly. Roasting, boiling, or baking works best. Avoid deep frying, which oxidizes fats and destroys nutrients. If the texture's unfamiliar, start small. Shred soft-cooked skin into soups or mix into stews. You won't even notice it. But your knees and ankles will. Don't peel away the most healing part of your meal. What many throw out may be the very thing that helps you move better tomorrow. Number 7. Gelatin. Collagen in its most absorbable form. If you've ever made homemade broth and noticed it turning into jelly in the fridge, that's gelatin. And for aging joints, it's one of the fastest-acting natural remedies you can find. Gelatin is essentially cooked collagen, extracted from bones, skin, and connective tissue. But what makes it special is how easily your body can absorb and use it, especially if your digestion isn't what it used to be. In a 2018 double-blind study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, seniors who added gelatin to their daily diet saw a 27% drop in knee and ankle inflammation and a 37% boost in mobility, all in just 6 weeks. Even better, MRI scans showed signs of cartilage thickening, something rarely seen in older adults without surgical intervention. And many participants noticed improvements within the first 2 weeks. To get these results at home, choose unflavored grass-fed gelatin powder with no added sugar or chemicals. Stir it into warm tea, bone broth, or soups, or even make your own collagen-rich gummies using natural fruit juice. Consistency is key. Even a small daily dose can make a real difference in swelling, stiffness, and joint strength over time. If you're looking for quick, gentle relief, gelatin might be your secret weapon. Quick check-in. Are you finding this helpful? Comment yes or no below. And if you're learning something new, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. Number 6. Canned salmon with bones. A shelf-stable joint saver. It's affordable, easy to store, and shockingly effective, especially if you're dealing with aching knees or swollen ankles. Canned salmon with the bones intact is loaded with natural collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and gelatin, all critical for repairing cartilage and reinforcing the structural support around your joints. Here's the key. Those soft, edible bones inside the can are where most of the healing power hides. And because the canning process softens them, you can mash them right into the meat. No chewing on hard bones required. A 2020 study published in Nutrients found that seniors who ate 3 servings of canned bone-in salmon per week had a 21% reduction in inflammation and a 32% improvement in knee flexibility after just 10 weeks. And this wasn't just about comfort. Participants reported it was easier to stand, walk, and climb stairs. The omega-3 fats in the salmon helped fight inflammation, while the collagen peptides supported new tissue growth. Look for wild-caught canned salmon with bones and skin intact, packed in water or olive oil. Skip options loaded with sauces or processed oils. You can mash it onto toast with avocado, mix it into rice bowls, or stir it into grain salads. Don't throw out the bones. They're the part your joints have been waiting for. Number 5. Sardines with skin and bones. Small fish, massive relief. They may be tiny, but sardines, when eaten whole, are one of the most collagen-rich superfoods hiding in plain sight. The soft, edible bones are packed with type I collagen, calcium phosphate, and natural gelatin. Everything your joints need to stay cushioned, supported, and pain-free. And it doesn't stop there. The omega-3 fatty acids in the fish skin work together with a compound called elastin, helping your body repair inflamed connective tissue and reduce stiffness. In a 2022 study published in Nutrition, seniors who ate sardines 3 times per week experienced a 25% reduction in swelling and a 29% drop in joint pain within 2 months. Even more impressive, their blood showed stronger markers for collagen production. And the older the participants were, the more dramatic the results. To get the full benefit, choose canned sardines packed in water or olive oil, not soybean oil or sugary sauces, and make sure they still contain the skin and bones. If the flavor feels strong at first, try mixing them into avocado toast, rice bowls, or even blending with mustard and Greek yogurt for a creamy spread. These little fish don't just reduce pain, they help rebuild what time has worn down. If you've been skipping sardines because of the smell or the idea of eating bones, it might be time to reconsider. Number 4. Bone broth. Slow-simmered collagen in a cup. It's warm, comforting, and more powerful than most joint supplements on the market. Bone broth is collagen-rich therapy, served by the mug. When bones are simmered slowly over 12 to 24 hours, they release gelatin, type I collagen, glycine, proline, and other joint-healing compounds. These nutrients don't just reduce swelling, they actually help rebuild the tissue matrix that holds your joints together. In a 2021 randomized trial published in Clinical Interventions in Aging, seniors who drank just 1 cup of homemade bone broth daily for 12 weeks saw a 44% decrease in joint swelling and a 38% improvement in mobility and pain scores. Ultrasound scans even showed increased cartilage thickness in the knees, a sign of deep structural healing, not just symptom relief. Unlike many collagen powders, bone broth contains the full nutritional package, including minerals that help your body absorb and use collagen properly. To make it at home, simmer bones rich in connective tissue, like beef knuckles, turkey necks, or chicken backs, with apple cider vinegar, garlic, onions, and herbs. The vinegar draws minerals from the bones into the broth. If making your own isn't practical, choose high-quality frozen or chilled bone broth without additives or preservatives. Use it as a soup base, cook your grains in it, or simply warm up a mug and sip slowly. It's not just soup, it's joint support in liquid form. Number 3. Beef tendons. The unsung hero of joint repair. They may not look glamorous, but beef tendons are one of the most collagen-dense foods on the planet, and a game-changer for aging joints. Nearly 100% of a tendon structure is made of type 1 collagen, the same kind your body needs to restore ligaments, cushion cartilage, and improve joint flexibility. When cooked properly, tendons release gelatin and powerful peptides that directly support worn-down connective tissue. And unlike supplements, this is real, food-based collagen your body can recognize and use. In a 2022 clinical study published in the Journal of Functional Foods, seniors over 60 who ate tendon stew 3 times a week saw a 41% decrease in knee stiffness and a 63% improvement in joint fluid density, all in just 30 days. MRI scans confirmed regeneration of soft tissue around key joints, with participants reporting better balance, easier walking, and less swelling after standing for long periods. To get the most benefit, slow-cook tendons for 8 to 12 hours with broth, vinegar, ginger, and garlic. Once softened, the texture becomes tender and jelly-like, easy to mix into stews, noodle bowls, or soups. If you're new to tendons, start small. Dice them, and blend with other soft vegetables or broth for a gentle introduction. Beef tendons aren't trendy, but they're nature's most concentrated source of real collagen. If your knees ache or your ankles swell by evening, this old-school remedy might just bring you new-school results. Number 2. Blueberries, the collagen shield. Your joints they're sweet, easy to snack on, and surprisingly powerful when it comes to protecting the collagen you already have. While blueberries don't contain collagen themselves, they're rich in anthocyanins, natural compounds that prevent collagen breakdown by blocking the enzymes that destroy it. They also fight oxidative stress, which plays a major role in inflammation, joint damage, and stiffness as we age. In multiple studies, including one published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, older adults who ate blueberries daily showed reduced joint pain, better mobility, and lower markers of inflammation in their blood. But there's more. Blueberries also help improve circulation, meaning more nutrients reach your joints, ligaments, and cartilage where healing happens. For maximum benefit, pair blueberries with collagen-rich or protein-rich foods, like Greek yogurt, nuts, or seeds. The vitamin C and polyphenols in blueberries work hand in hand with amino acids to support collagen synthesis. And here's a simple tip. Eat the skin. That's where most of the antioxidant power is concentrated. You can throw them into smoothies, stir them into oatmeal, or eat them frozen straight from the bag. Blueberries are more than a snack. They're your body's natural defense system against joint decline. Number 1. Kiwi. The collagen trigger. Your joints have been waiting for it. Might look humble on the outside, but kiwi is one of the most powerful natural activators of collagen production, especially for aging joints. Here's why. Collagen can't form without vitamin C, and kiwi contains more of it per gram than most citrus fruits. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply can't build or repair collagen, no matter how much of it you eat. But kiwi does more than just supply this vital nutrient. It's also rich in antioxidants, potassium, and enzymes that help reduce inflammation and support joint flexibility. In a study published in the Journal of Cellular Physiology, seniors with early signs of joint degeneration who consumed vitamin C-rich fruits like kiwi showed marked improvement in collagen synthesis, along with better cartilage structure and reduced oxidative stress. What makes kiwi special is its bioavailability. Your body can absorb and use its nutrients quickly and efficiently. And here's a bonus tip: eat it with the skin on. It might sound strange, but that fuzzy skin is edible and loaded with extra fiber, vitamin E, and polyphenols that enhance the fruit's anti-inflammatory effects. Just give it a good rinse before eating. Slice it into salads, blend into smoothies, or eat it plain. Just don't overlook this green gem. Kiwi doesn't just support collagen. It flips the switch that tells your body to make more of it. So there you have it. 10 powerful foods that don't just reduce joint pain, but help your body rebuild from the inside out. No expensive pills, no extreme diets. Just real, proven nourishment your joints have been waiting for. Now it's your turn. Which of these foods are you adding to your meals this week? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one and I'd love to hear what's working for you. And if you found something helpful in this video, tap that like button so more people see it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, because your joints deserve real answers, not just generic advice. There's more coming, and trust me, you're not done yet.